That is nifty. Welcome to the ReBuilding Center. These are the rules. Community bulletin board, because we care about the community. Pricing and a little showroom. Let's see. We've got brochures from the neighborhood. Some cool little things. This is for Sobeys Island. Oh, sorry. That's for Sobeys Island. I'll take that actually. Let's see. There's a piano over there. Here's some photographs of our community and some of the things people have done with the things that they have gotten from here. Pretty cool stuff. This is our community resource area. All kinds of fruit tree pruning and business cards. These are labeled business cards. Upcoming events, and they slide and they're nifty. Community life. And okay, this is the doorway and more doors. It looks like there's an entrance over here. They have something cool that they kind of put together. This is the recycling for all the wonderful things that we can't use. These, it's actually a back wall. I'll go on to the other side, but those are industrial lights, I believe. Some windows. You got some granite countertops. These are the miscellaneous things. You have nuts, bolts, various kinds of fixtures. That's for a heating system. There's all the screws. You have, I don't know what these are. Vents. All kinds of electrical things. Electrical boards. Wall panels. You have a blender, speakers, hoses, TV radio, cable. This side we have person. Here we have. This is for your shower. You have shower fixtures, shower hoses, you've got shower heads, sinks, faucets, various kinds of cool things. All of them jumbled together, and I got to help with jumbling them. This is where you spend most of your time, in the miscellaneous section, because everything comes in here is pretty much miscellaneous. These are faucet apparatuses, tubing. These are some of your pink candles. Where's the kitty at? There's a kitty in here somewhere. lives down here. It's the house cat. Sorry if I gotta get to the floor. I gotta be careful not to get any people. There's a lot of people here. These are hinges. All different kinds of colors of hinges that work. There's a soap dish for in your shower. Towel rings. And other fun things, all of them in the miscellaneous section. Okay, these are blinds. Probably not to get any people in because I don't have permission to have people in it. But these are cupboards that I'm sorting. You can see there all kinds of tabletops, countertops. A wall of cupboards. This is my junk pile. Been going through it. There's some broken glass right there. You can see how it's sharp. It's too close. Sorry. I have to throw all that away, or excuse me, we have to recycle it. These are cupboards. More and more of them. Some of them have hinges and some of them do not. But yeah, that's what I've been doing. These are various forms of bathtubs and bathroom fixtures. Some of them still have their spouts on them, some of them don't. I'm actually having a sale on bathtubs right now. It's kind of nifty. And you can find all kinds of things. This one is a jacuzzi, I believe. See, there's the spouts on it. And these are various forms of sinks. It's called Bathroom Boulevard. You have matching ones together and drawers full of pieces. So sinks, cool colored sinks, weird colored sinks. I don't even think these are all from houses. I think a good number of them probably come from schools, because I've seen some funky things that I think can only come from a school, like the, if we all remember elementary school, would be black toilet seats. And these are appliances. So anything from a dishwasher to a stove or a microwave would be over here. There's fixtures, tubing, stove tops. I had to go through here and sort out things like this a little while ago. That was fun. More stoves. There's all kinds of things, really. All of it has been donated. You get a little ticket for donating, and just like if you went to Goodwill. This is outside. This is where I spent most of my time today. The nice people who drop off all these wonderful things give them to me, and I put them where they belong. There's another jacuzzi tub. This is where all of our cardboard goes, and we're not supposed to just throw it in there. We're supposed to break the boxes down, but, well, I guess that's something for later. And then the dumpster with all the wonderful styrofoam. And, well, that is the rebuilding center. That's about it.